video, and today you can already tell by the intro and title of this video, we have acquired a 1995 Toyota Celsior, and this thing is stupid clean. I do want to apologize for the wind noise. I'm going to try my best to work around it. Also, I'm getting over a sickness, so the energy is going to be a little bit dialed back, but that's besides the point because we have a JDM time capsule sitting in front of us. This will be the new car to the channel, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. It also might be one of the lowest mileage Celsiors in America currently. That's probably not a fact, but it'll look better in the title if I put I bought the lowest mileage Celsior in America. So we're just gonna roll with it. Like I said, this thing is absolutely mint. We got the factory doilies. We got the, I think this is cloth or wool interior, and there is no sort of blemishes. It is all factory, all clean, and wait till you see the mileage on this car. As we sit in the cockpit of this vehicle, you can see that the steering wheel will move into driving position. Also, you can see down here, this car has about 26,000 kilometers, which comes out to about 16,000 original miles. When I say this thing is stupid clean, it is genuinely one of the cleanest cars that I've ever seen. It's like we traveled back into 1995, and there is so many cool features about this car that I will share in a later video. I just wanted to share with you guys what we acquired because I was genuinely very excited to share this with you guys. Everything about this car is completely flawless. I don't want to go through too much, but you can see the disc display. The disc holder is still in the original wrapping, as you can see, and there's just so many more cool features about this car that I can't wait to share with you guys. Like I said, this video really isn't about going into detail about every single feature about this car. It will take an entire video, but I just wanted to share with you guys what we acquired because this is absolutely insane. I love this car. It drives like it's on a cloud. Everything about it, it's smooth, it's luxurious, and like I said, I'll go into it in another video. I do want to show you guys though the under the hood because this thing is absolutely clean. Just give you guys a little teaser. As we open the hood on our 1995 Celsior, we are met with obviously the 1UZ FE Japanese V8 engine, and this engine bay is just absolutely immaculate. It genuinely doesn't look like anyone has ever touched it. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm very bad at kind of describing things, but half of it's kind of because I'm excited, half of it's because I'm sick, but this is absolutely an immaculate car. Like I said, this is a very short video, kind of just to debut the car to the channel. I am very excited to be owning this vehicle. I hope you guys are excited as well. This car has a lot of features that I never thought a 1995 would have, and if you guys know the Celsior, you guys know about these cars. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are excited for this Japanese classic build. If you guys are, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.